Next level slayer. Welcome to the next level. Next level slayer. Welcome to the next level. Next level slayer.
Oh, hello, and welcome to another episode of Next Level Slayer. I am your host, Crystal Lauren, and in this episode, I am bringing to you two other field inspector inspection opportunities that you may be interested in. Now, I did two other videos on field inspections. I'll have them linked at the end of this video so you can check those out. And those are two companies I have been working for. And I said I was going to share two other companies that you may want to apply for to do inspections for. Now, this company, Photo Inspection, I have not done any inspections with them, although I am signed up with them. And I just wanted to go over their site with you and have a link below if you want to sign up with them. So Photo Inspection, I have not done any inspections with them, but they have a back office as well that shows you the inspections that are available. And if it's in your area and you want to do them, you can do them. Now, with this company, I am not even, they pay around $15 for their inspection, and you're going to be taking photos. All right. Now, let me go to the inspectors page. So, the reason I have not done any with them is I've been busy, doing other things, and the ones that have become available in the back office are kind of a nice little distance for me, so I've chosen not to do them. Okay, so this is their site. This is your receive assignments at your own password protected portal, where you can view or download orders and also upload completed work. Our user-friendly system is integrated with a route planner and a personal calendar to help you maximize efficiency. It also provides you with relevant information such as pending work, due date reminders, and up to the minute accounting of completed work for payment. So to become an inspector, you're going to come to this page and click register and put in your information. You may want to check out the FAQs as well and see what the FAQs say. But so again, to be an inspector, it just requires you to have a digital camera and the internet so you can take pictures and upload them. Now, once I do an inspection with them, I will have a better understanding of how their process works. But I do know that what they do is have it in your back office. With them, you kind of got to go and check your back office and to see orders. With WeGo Look, they have an app where you get notification when an order is available. Same thing with Sandcastle. They have a app, and they have your website. I don't use Sandcastle's app. I use their website. They send you emails letting you know when an order has been placed in your queue. With field inspection, you don't get any notification. You just check to see what's available. If it's in your area and you want to do it, then you can request to do the inspection. So the other company that I wanted to share with you, so that is photoinspection.com. I'll have the link for that below. The other company that I want to introduce to you is GMI Reports. And GMI Reports, I am signed up with them as well. I have not done any inspections with them as of yet. None has become available. So everybody's area is going to be different. So you may get some where, some areas may not. So this tells you what you need. You need to have a valid driver's license, reliable transportation, a smartphone or a tablet to use their app. And you can set your own schedule, of course, just like all the others, to submit your supplement your income. And you're just going to click here to apply. You're just going to answer some questions. With GMI, you do have to have a background check as well, so you're able to use your other background checks from, if you already have one that you've done, you can submit that one to them. Now so you would come here and apply for where you want to be. Statewide, California is where I am. So you can click the area that you want to apply for. Okay. And they'll contact you and get you started on the process. So this is the openings that they have. It shows you. Now, if your state is not here, then that means they don't have anything in your state. Okay. So they have quite a few here, but then as almost every state looks like, but your state may not be listed here. You can always check back later to see if anything comes up. But as I said, I talked about other ones that you can apply for. We Go Look or Sandcastle and Photo Inspection. So this is another company that you can make some extra income with. I'll have the link to this below as well for JMI Reports, and then photoinspection.com. So that is all I want to go over in this video, is 2 other inspection companies that you can add, that you can sign up for to make some extra cash. And yeah, that's it. So I'll have linked at the end of this video my overview of Sandcastle and We Go Look. Those are companies that I have done several inspections for. So if you want to hear more about that, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on opportunities that can take your money to the next level. Until next time, I see you on the next level. Will you be there? I hope so. Bye-bye.